I say like Pete Canaris. What's going on, guys? Look, I'm out. You can see how crazy the yard has looked over over the winter. I don't come outside during the winter. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's why I'm glad I got that high tunnel back there, cause it's warmer in there. So, but anyway, stick with it. I was out doing this little container garden build that I want to share with y'all during the spring, and basically, all the blocks cost $1. All the woods cost $1. You can look right there and see that we actually got that. If you remember when we was doing the soil, during the fall we do a lot of videos for like garden hauls, and we got a lot of this from Walmart. The blocks that go on sale for like 50 cents or something. Those boards, they're usually like $3 or $4, $5. We get them all for like $1. Once Walmart gets rid of that, if you go outside the garden center, you'll see all their soil in this little made like this basically, and that's where they keep their soil in. After the season is over, they sell all that stuff discounted. So I'm gonna make some of these, and I'm gonna come back sometimes during the spring with a cool container garden video. But we just starting. But I couldn't let this pass. This is where all my containers are, just on the ground. The reason for that bill is because of this grass. You can see everywhere I had a pot, and it grows up around your containers. But if you got something like that, you want to build it up high enough where your lawnmower can go under it, your weed eater can go under it. So that's like 3 blocks high. I want to show you this. While cleaning this, I'm looking to see like what seeds to spread it, what might be germinating, and I see this mint. I kid you not. This mint is growing out of a mushroom that's attached to this block. Check that out. I don't know how that happened. I'm thinking maybe it came up from the bottom and just attached itself to that, but I don't see any other leaves under it. I see this line here, which may be the leader, but I thought that was something cool to share. If you can see that, let me block the sun. See if you can see it better. Look at that. Let me see if I can move that. How is that possible? There's nothing else down there. And it's just coming out of the mushroom. Fungus, whatever. I call it mushrooms. I call everything that looks like this mushrooms. So look at that. Maybe I can call this mushroom mint. Let me see so y'all can see that better. I don't know. I just wanted to share that. I thought it was something cool to share with y'all, but I gotta get back to cleaning up this mess. Kind of ready to get the yard looking like something, but somebody might be interested in that little container garden build here. I got a few more to put up. This is all easy, no screws. Just gotta get a couple of people that got a little muscles, couple of guys, couple of nephews, couple of uncles, couple of sons. They can easily put this together for you. Thank y'all for watching. Grow, grow, grow.